Good morning. Well, whenever you watch this video, whatever time of day it is, it's morning for me. So I was up early this morning. I just did a tutorial on this look. Obviously, this is why we clicked on the video. So yes, I did like a little cut crease. I tried. I don't really do eyeshadow, and I don't really do eyeshadow, and I don't really do cut crease. I don't even like eyeshadow, but I'm starting to like it because I just got this new palette. I just got this. It's so nice. Child's palette, with Morphe. You know, he just launched it, and I'm so excited to show you guys. Wait, thumbnail. Got a thumbnail. Anyways, so yeah. I'm just using this palette. Your hair for this look, right? Obviously. I look so pale. I might sound a little raspy because it's really early in the morning. And it's really early in the morning. So yeah, I already did my eyebrows. If you want an updated eyebrow tutorial, let me know. So today, I'm gonna use the James Charles palette. This is so cute. I love this so much. So this is this new palette. It comes with 39 different colors. It's cost $39. I'll leave the link below if you don't know. So first I'm gonna prime my eyes. I use my NARS concealer in medium dark 1.5. Let's get next one of these. Anyway, so I just slap this all over my lid. Just like that. And I use my Real Techniques Expert Conceal Brush. This is so good. I'm just gonna dip my small setting brush from Real Techniques and just set. That is a lot. And just set my eyes just like that. I'm gonna be using this eye because the side of my face is not the best right now. So I have all my brushes in this thing. So let's get into it. So since my eyes is already set, primed, concealed, all of that good stuff, I'm gonna go into the palette. I'm gonna be using the color B. This one. So cute. At the top of my lid. Anyway, so I'm just gonna be using this big fluffy brush. Don't mind the brown on it. I hope the brown doesn't show up. But I clean these brushes. Just some of them are very stubborn. So like I said, I'm gonna take B. I'm just gonna go right at the top. On my eyelid. I'm gonna take some of this orange. So the color of this orange is 518. And I'm just gonna take it on my Real Technique Essential Crease brush. So it looks like this. I already have the orange on it. The same brush, and I'm gonna take Rusted because I really want like a dark orangey look, and yeah, so I'm just gonna like just gonna take my Kala 313 brush, it looks like this, into the shade Escape, and just put it like right in my crease, just like right in my crease. These eyeshadows are so pigmented, and you gotta be like so careful. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna like cut my crease. Well, attempt to cut my crease because I don't like doing cut crease. So I just took some of my NYX milk pencil and just stick it on my hand because it's like really bad to use. So I'm taking off half. Cut crease action, whatever going on. So now I'm just gonna dip back into Escape with the same brush, and I'm just gonna blend out the end. Now I'm gonna take my color 315 brush and then I'm gonna dip into some Flashback. That is the white shade on his palette. And just like tap that all on there. This eye, like, I don't know. I'm just testing this palette out. I'm just throwing some stuff together. I kind of saw a picture with somebody makeup, something like this. They added some more colors, but I don't want to do all of that because your girl ain't good with no eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna leave this like this. I'm gonna add eyeliner and everything later. So I'm just gonna come off camera right now and do the next eye and then come back to do the rest of it. We are back. So I did the next eye. I kind of cleaned up the edges a little bit. So first of all, I have to moisturize. First you moisturize your skin. So I have two types of moisturizer. I just got this Equate Dry Skin Facial Cream using my Neutrogena moisturizer today with sunscreen. Prime my face with Hard Candy Long Wear Primer is 12 hours. Just for under my eyes, I am going to use the Dry Skin Equate because when you start doing like the setting powder and concealer and stuff, underneath your eye is so dry, so you have to make sure that you moisturize that. For foundation, I'm going to be using my Fit Me. Is this the right one? No, it's not. This is not it. I'm like, that is too dark. I'm going to be using my Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the color 340, which is Cappuccino. I know it looks kind of dark, but like it looks kind of dark for my face and my neck. But trust me, I don't try to blend the foundation with my face. I try to blend the foundation with the rest of my body. And this is new too. So like, I just gotta dip it a little bit and just, put it like that, like, all over my face. I try to get like all off the brush. Lately, I have not been using I'm not been using beauty blenders, only for like my that. So I've been using this Ultimate Blending Brush from e.l.f. It's like really, really hard and then like really, really blends out your foundation. So I'm just gonna use this. Does this look dark? It looks kind of dark. It looks dark on my camera to me. So notice I don't put like my foundation right here because we put concealer there, so you don't want too much product there. Whatever. So I'm just gonna speed this piece up because I really do a lot of blending. And yeah. So I just did my concealer, as you saw. I used Too Faced Born This Way in Warm Sand. So I used Real Technique Beauty Blender, and then I go back in with the same brush I use for my foundation. To just blend out any harsh lines, so everything just has like a seamless. I'm just gonna use like the same small setting brush. Now that that's out the way, I'm going to take my Too Faced Chocolate Matte Bronzer. It's like in this little small thing. I got this from a beauty con bag. Then I'm going to use this Luxe 504 large angle brush. Whatever. Gonna dip this into here. I'm just gonna, you know, do the regular. I don't know how to explain this, but I just go in that motion or whatever and just, you know, do that. The thing what I really love about this, it smells like chocolate, like actual chocolate. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. contouring brush. It's really for like cream contour, but I don't cream contour from. Oh, this smells so good. But I'm just gonna use this like right there, because that's what like gets your nose. It gets your nose like really snatched. So just to finish up the rest of my face and just blend everything in, I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix in the color NC45. I've had this one shade forever. So I just go like, you know, all the places I didn't put powder. And just go over it with like one of my old powder brushes that I used to use, and just go over my face. Just make sure everything is blended out properly. I'm just gonna set my face with my Urban Decay all night spray, because this is an all day look. I'm gonna be wearing this for like almost 12 hours. So whilst that dry, this is the time that I use. What the fuck? This is the time that I use to like put on my mascara and any other little things that I didn't put on. Would y'all believe all this time I could just adjust the brightness, so I didn't have to look bright all that time? But anyway, now you can see my makeup very well or whatever, and you can see like the true color. So for my I'm using Cork by MAC as a lip liner, and then I'm gonna use Honey Love in, oh my god. If you watch my old videos, or if you watch any of my videos, you know that this is the only thing that I do, and I feel so bad. Now I'm good to go. We could go. I'm ready. We could go. Where we going? Thanks. Who's taking me on this hot date, y'all? Who's taking me on this date? Cause a bitch is looking good. I am looking fine. I'm looking blessed. I am just like. Anyways, guys, so this is my final look. I hope you enjoy. You know, I hope you, yeah, I hope you enjoy this look. I hope you enjoy watching my tutorial. I hope this could help you in any way, whether it be my face routine, my foundation routine, or my eyeshadow. If you think that this eyeshadow look is good and you want to try it, why not? You don't have to use this big expensive palette, but you could use any palette with the same colors. I just want to use this one. So yeah, I'm gonna try to start making more videos on my off days when I'm not working and I have time, or you know, whatever. Anyways, I have some ideas, but if you have any ideas for me, you could comment below, or you could DM me on Instagram _Celeste, or you can message me on Snapchat Celeste, or if you have my number, you could WhatsApp me. Thanks for watching!